My name's Alicia. This is
Amaya. And I'm Melissa.
We are so lucky that we get to come up and do the historic hot springs loop. We get to travel north to Steamboat Springs, and one of the things we'll be doing there is going to the Old Town hot springs. From there, we get to eat some delicious food in town, and ultimately we end up riding the gondola to go up to the ski resort.
So this morning we woke up and we love getting to stay in locations where we can have a kitchen to make our own breakfast. So Alicia cooked us breakfast burritos with papas con chorizo, potatoes with chorizo, and egg, and got to sit down and have a lovely breakfast before we go soak.
I'm the marketing director here at Old Town Hot Springs. Old Town Hot Springs is located in downtown Steamboat Springs. We were founded in 1935. We are a nonprofit hot springs recreation center, community gathering space. We are a very family-friendly facility. We have several hot pools. We have a fitness center, a climbing wall, childcare, massage, a market, a little bit of everything. We are a handicap accessible facility. All of our pools can be accessed by a lift.
So nice.
The water's perfect. Are you having fun?
I am.
We've had an incredible time here. It's beautiful, and as you can tell, there are lots and lots of plants around. It feels like we're kind of in the forest, but we're right downtown. It's been lovely so far.
And it has a really nice family feel.
Yeah.
It's not just the pools, but they offer massage. There's a rock climbing wall. There's even a rock climbing wall where you can drop into the pool.
Yeah.
And a fitness center. And so we see a lot of kids, a lot of families. It was really cute. When we walked up, we saw like this line of like 20 little kids coming to play in the pool. Little ducklings. It was very cute.
I found it. There you go. There you go. Now left leg. Yep. There you go. Now left leg, you can go up a little bit more. I can't. Oh, it's gonna fall.
We just finished up at the hot springs here in downtown Steamboat, and they were really lovely. It definitely has a very community feeling.
We got to go down the water slide a couple of different times. It was super fun, and like you're going so fast when you enter the pool. It's super fun. And then next, where we're headed is downtown to Salt and Lime for lunch.
Hi, I'm Ben Henyon. I'm the executive chef here at Salt and Lime. Welcome. This is kind of a fun, happening place to be here in downtown Steamboat Springs. Got kind of a little twist on some traditional Mexican food, and we do a lot of fun stuff.
Tacos, we love tacos. So I got al pastor, which is pork with pineapple, tinga, which is chicken, and then I got carne asada to try.
I got also al pastor, but I wanted to try the fish also, because it looks really fresh. So I have a grilled fish and then a breaded shrimp taco.
So I have carne asada, which is like a steak, and then I got the fish as well, but I got it fried, and then I also got the fried shrimp.
I'm Mexican, I can do it. All right, let's see.
I'm gonna try mine.
All right, ready?
This is the shrimp. Perfectly cooked. banana.
Yeah.
And it has cheese inside, and it's drizzled in like this like guava puree. It's like sweet and savory.
It's super good. It's so tasty.
It did, huh?
Oh, look at that.
So we just had dinner at Besame, which was a place that had all kinds of fusion and tapas and some of the most amazing things I've had in a long time. It was really delicious food. Now we're getting ready to kind of close out our tour that we've done of the Colorado Historic Hot Springs road trip.
Not just Steamboat Springs, but we had a great time in Carbondale, Glenwood Springs. This is really an amazing trip. Kind of a final hurrah to celebrate our daughter, her graduation, eat way too much amazing food, soak, relax. Just the best family vacation.
We're lucky that we have all this in Colorado, and man, I wish I would have explored it more before this.
We're already planning that when she graduates college, we'll do another trip and maybe try out some new hot springs in other parts of the loop, and we'll maybe test some of those hot springs without her while she's in class.